Dell Vostro 3030 Review. Hidden beast or office junk? i7-12700K says hold my coffee. Ever sit at your desk staring at a screen that freezes mid-edit, lags during meetings, or just straight up crashes when you multitask? Yeah, we've been there, watching deadlines sprint past while your PC stumbles like it's stuck in 2009. Maybe you've got a dozen tabs open, editing a video while running Excel, and boom, everything stutters. It kills your flow, your vibe, and your patience. The more you try to push through, the more it drags you down. You start questioning your focus, your tech, and your life choices. Sound dramatic? Maybe. But it's also real. And then comes the real gut punch. The pressure. Clients don't care about lag. Your boss wants files rendered yesterday. You've got Zoom calls glitching, Photoshop dragging, and a half-finished project breathing down your neck. One hiccup, and your whole workflow explodes. Burnout creeps in fast, especially when you're forced to work harder just to fight your tools. The opportunity cost? Huge. Missed side hustles, delayed edits, lost clients. All because your setup can't keep up. You're not lazy, you're bottlenecked. And the longer you wait, the more it costs. Time. Energy. Confidence. Enter the Dell Vostro 3030 tower, and suddenly, everything clicks. Powered by a beast mode Intel Core i7-12700K, 12 cores, up to 5 GHz, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a blazing fast 1TB NVMe SSD, this compact monster doesn't just catch up, it laps your old rig. It boots faster than you blink, juggles video editing, coding, zooming, and 80 Chrome tabs like it's sipping coffee. No discrete GPU? No problem. Intel UHD 770 graphics handles dual monitors like a champ for business pros, creatives, and multitasking maniacs. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, front panel USB-C, and Windows 11 Pro? It's like it knows exactly what you need, before you even do. You won't just work faster, you'll feel smarter. Users are raving, and the vibes are strong. A Reddit power user said, "So far this Vostro is fast. My only issues are with Windows 11. Another shared, I run 30 plus Vostros in our office. Rock solid. Minimal issues." A video editor wrote, "Total game changer. It handles creative apps, office workflows, and Zoom fatigue mornings with laser precision. Whether you're running a small biz or building your empire one render at a time, this tower punches far above its class. Want speed, stability, and sleek power that just works? Tap in and see why the Vostro 3030 isn't just affordable, it's essential. Click play, dive deep, and judge for yourself. Stock's tight, and it won't stay this cheap for long. These units move fast with creative pros, remote workers, and business buyers snapping them up left and right. Buy now, secure yours today, or risk settling for lag and frustration. You deserve better gear, not excuses. Don't sleep on this sleeper beast. Act now and join thousands who've upgraded to fast, flawless, frustration-free workflows. Why keep struggling when one click could fix it all? Seize this shot. Power up. And let the real you finally get some work done.